everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 highs in the Court Purple colorway, and this is a woman's exclusive, so let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to hit that notification bell because we are going to have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to leave us any comments or questions down below. Hit that join button because we've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing the women's exclusive Court Purple in the Jordan 1 highs. So this is a really cool colorway. I know this came out a little bit ago. I've been super backed up with content, but we finally have gotten around to unboxing this shoe. So definitely excited to go through the overview on this one, talk about the size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this. I think that this is just the perfect hint of purple throughout the shoe. Then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. All right, let's jump into this overview. I know this seems like a very simplistic color scheme because there's a lot of white going on, but I do think that this has quite the high quality leather on the toe box there. You can see that it's nice tumbled leather, a crisp white toe on the front there. As we work our way up, we've got that tumbled leather tongue with some simple white laces and just nice accents of that Court Purple for the Nike Swoosh Air logo. So let's take a sneak peek at those details before we get into the side panels. All right, moving on to the side panels, you'll notice that we've got this nice patent looking swoosh. It really just shimmers in the light. So I'm just going to move it around so you can kind of see how nice those highlights are on that patent leather swoosh. Working our way to the underlays of that swoosh is that just crisp white tumbled leather that works its way all the way to the back of the heel. So we work our way up to the collar, you'll notice that there are more accents of that Court Purple, again in that patent sheen look. Then as we work our way to the inside of the collar, we've got that nice satiny purple that really just pops. One of the coolest parts of the shoe is actually the wings. You'll notice that it's not only in the Court Purple, but it actually has a nice shimmer to it. It almost is a kind of bluish teal shimmer that they've added to it, which really kind of makes a statement and really has this nice sheen to it when it hits the light. The insole is also Court Purple, as well as the inside of the tongue is in that nice satin Court Purple color scheme as well. Working our way to the bottom of the shoe, we've got just a crisp white midsole and a simplistic accent of that Court Purple on the outsole to finish off the shoe. Let's take a final look at all those details. All right, so moving on to size and fit. Since this was a woman's exclusive, I got this in a woman's size 9, which is equivalent to a men's size 7.5. For those of you wondering the size and fit on these, I would say go true to size on this one. I am typically someone who likes to wear my shoes with a little bit of extra space in that toe box region because I do like to wear thicker socks. So depending on the type of wear that you have with your shoes, whether or not it's thin socks or thick socks, that will have an effect, as well as how far you want your toes to go up in that toe box region. Also, if you have flat, wide feet, that may decide for a different size as well. All right, now let's move into styling. This was just the perfect amount of purple accent, so I really wanted to bring the purple hues out. Starting with the tie-dye cropped top that I've got here, I decided to wear that with some simple Nike purple shorts, but in a light kind of purple hue. I think that these go great with any type of purple, especially a lighter kind of pastel purple. But I think those Nike shorts just really complemented the nice purple accents quite nicely.
I'm tired of being broken about this. I'm tired of not knowing where I fit. I'm on my way to being better. I'm on my way to doing better. Taking it back like Motorola flip phones. Way back when I had posters on my wall. A time and space when people call me brace face. The traumas of this life I just can't escape. It's depression every day, what it takes to be great. Little young mind couldn't understand the stakes. I had to learn on my own how to separate from snakes. Silent screams is what I did every night. Toxic fiends.
For the second look, I decided to wear a floral ruche dress that was in more of a bold purple. I think, you know, that really pulled from the accents as well. It was a different purple, but I think it did just go quite nicely, especially since there's so much white going on. It really just blended in so well.
Let me have a life. The ones real close brought the biggest strife. Hard to be hopeful when you ain't living right. I want the drama out my life, get it out my sight. Run up on me, that's a cause for a fight. One bag in my hand, cause now I pack light. Looking in the mirror, uplifting myself.
Don't worry, little shorty, it'll be alright.
I'm tired of being broken about this. I'm tired of not knowing where I fit. I'm on my way to being better. I'm on my way to doing better. Never again will I.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear a Champion cropped vintage hoodie. For those of you who are interested in that crop top, you can find that in the link below. That's complimentary of Culture Kings. So thanks so much, Culture Kings, for sending that sweatshirt my way. I paired that with some nice simple gray biker shorts. I think that light gray goes so nicely with the crisp white tumble leather on these, as well as those nice subtle accents of the court purple.
Again, will I accept disrespect or fall victim to selfish neglect? Mad at me when it's evil you project. I'm coming hard body, ain't no time to half step. Principalities wanna see me down. Holy Ghost with me, I'm so profound. Can't go back now, can't cop my style. Wanna steal my sound? Here's your red nose clown. Oh, am I supposed to be happy? Cause you invited me to the party. You want applause for the bare minimum pay me. I got a real big family to feed. I got homeless kin on the streets that's out there in need. No change without land or money. Is it free? Your name ain't Stevie. This harm that you're brewing, I know beyond your eyes you can clearly see.
So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these court purples?
We are, say nothing ever turns out wrong again. Yeah, we started wrong, but we made it right. Yeah, I let you down, but you failed me twice. So we're way past that, and the end's in sight. Say nothing ever turns out wrong again. Say nothing ever turns out wrong again.
All right, now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So if you were unable to cop these, this could be potentially your lucky day. So these retail at $170. If you are below a size 9, you can actually cop these for under retail. They're going below 170 currently. If you are above a size 9, these are going between 175 to 190. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you were new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as feel free to hit that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as amazing merch store. And that's all for this episode. We will see you on the next one.